to your beautiful home, oh little child. I know that they did not care about your innocent life, but here you are, loved, cherished for life without any harm. Prophet Ibrahim's waiting for you, both with Allah. Now spread your wings and you can fly away. You are home, you are free, you're forever safe. Oh precious soul, you sweet scented rose, your life has passed but you're here at last. Welcome home, beautiful child.